Hey, good morning, guys. This is Ken. This is the vision of the Traders Support Home Study Project. So I'm going to be describing in about a 2-minute video 8 different imbalances that traders have. For each imbalance, I'm going to define it, describe in about a minute what it feels like to have that imbalance, and then the consequence for what that does to you as a trader. I'm going to talk about what happens when rebalance occurs, what that feeling of being back in balance is like, what it looks like in your body and in your mind, and then the path that you walk forth when you are rebalanced. So that whole section for me is going to take about 2 minutes. I'm going to talk 10 seconds defining the imbalance, 20 seconds defining it. I'll name it, define it. I'll spend about a minute talking about what it feels like, 20 seconds on the consequence, 10 seconds on what a feeling of rebalancing is like, what it is, what it looks like in your body and mind, and then where you go once you're rebalanced. So overreaching, hesitation, rigidity, distraction, revenge, impulsivity, perfectionism, and isolation. So those things are kind of like 8 horses pulling you in different directions. When you're trading well, all those things are there, but they're kind of balanced in a way that makes it manageable. When you get out of balance and one or more of those things starts tipping the apple cart. Well, each of you has been really an important part of my rebalancing. I described in the Meet the Badger video what it was like sitting in my driveway, feeling all of the things that go wrong with the trader. When Meet the Badger is like that. And what I'd like to get from each of you is about a 3 to 5 minute introduction of you and your work, and the process you follow in finding, telling, and sharing your truth. This is how I feel about you guys, what you do for me, just so you know. And I believe that the personas that you manifest would be of help to other traders and anyone who's suffering work stress. Like Lucero, the sacred fire, great spirit of loving kindness, that comes through in everything you do. David's embodied restoring process is a recipe for how to do it, how to go through those 7 stages. My brother Bill, the hospice nurse, has a special gift for healing and acceptance. Tom Hardison, your calm and restful relaxation and reset, the gathering and the centering, being able to step off the line when you need to, and then to assemble your resources is really crucial. Joy, you do a great job, I think, describing what simple bravery looks like and taking next steps. And for me, I intend to model that process where you guys listen to the messages I give in a true story format, and then you do your magic. You just be who you are. And I'm going to be modeling awareness, acknowledgement, acceptance, and then action, a commitment to next steps with forgiveness and gratitude. And my thought is that if you can give me a 3 to 5 minute introduction, and then once I get these recorded, if you would just, sit in the truth for a while and tell me your true story for each one of those, or in general, just for all of them. I would like to have one for each of about 3 to 5 minutes, if we can. If that's too much, then just let me know, and I'll give me what you can, and we'll make that work. So that's my plan, and my intention is to put this together as it should end up being about an hour or 2 hours of home study work for people that are feeling one of those things, and then they can respond to it like first aid. And I see it leading to other longer term engagements where they're working to build resilience and capacity. This is more like a first aid for traders who definitely need it because it's a tough job. Hey, appreciate your time and attention and all the support you guys give me. And see you soon.